What is up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to another video. If you are new and you've never seen my face before, I'm Renee. This is the Grace Gang. Welcome. So before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post, which is once a week. Okay, I post once a week. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Today's video is going to be a video about breast tape. Shout out to a Busties breast tape company. They reached out to me and decided that they wanted to send me their kit to use breast tape. Now, y'all don't know, but I've been looking for breast tape forever because anytime that I've found breast tape, it's never worked for me. So I am super excited to try this product. Okay, this is what she looks like. Comes in a cute pink packaging, and the packaging even has like a code on the back so you can learn how to tape them. You know, it's cruelty free, no animal testing, it's locally owned, and they support breast cancer. It even says on here, take care of you, don't delay your mammogram. So if you're at the age where you should be getting a mammogram, sis, go ahead and schedule your doctor's appointment now and go get you a mammogram. Or even if you're not of the age, which is usually about 40, still schedule a mammogram if you feel anything, you know, not feeling right in that area. So I got a couple shirts that I have not got to wear because I don't own any breast tape, so I'm going to try them today with the breast tape. Okay, this is the first shirt. Now everybody has seen these shirts. All the girlies got this shirt. It got the little string in between. Okay, I can't wear her without a bra. I can't wear her at all because my titties be hanging. Okay, so we're gonna try this busty tape and see what it's hitting for. I'm gonna show you guys before and after what it looks like. And then I have this other shirt. It's a set, but I'm not gonna show you the pants and bottoms. This shirt here that is low cut also, as you guys can see. Okay, I can't wear her either. Why? Because she's low cut and my breast hang. Okay, I am a 36 double D. I can't remember, but I'm in the D range, and it's hard for me to wear anything if I don't have a bra on. So yes, we're just gonna go ahead and open this and see what's inside. Look, come with everything. And then the inside it says your tatas called, they need a lift. Busties. So okay, busty. All right, so when you pull the opening, I'm gonna show you everything I get. I'm gonna put the box down. So when you open it up, you get a roll of breast tape. That's a lot of breast tape. Okay, you get, I believe these are pasties. This might be a lie. This is a sample strip to make sure that your skin doesn't break out or you're not allergic to it. Then they give you pasties. You have the silicone pasties, which I've never tried silicone pasties before. I probably won't. For some reason I don't like the way they feel, but it's okay. And then you have the satin pasties. Okay, so I'm gonna put my shirt on. Oh, and it comes with a bag. I forgot to show you guys the bag. I'm so excited to try these out. So I'm going to put on one of my shirts and I'm going to show you what it looks like before, and then we'll come back after I got the tape set and I'll kind of like give you guys an example of how I did it. So let me put my shirt on and show you guys the before, and then I'll come back and show you guys the after. I'll show you the before of both shirts, that way you have a good idea. Okay, so this is how the first shirt looks. I had to bring you guys down a bit just so you could see, but as you can tell, my breasts are sagging. It's not cute. This doesn't look cute at all. So hopefully this boob tape will bring me up and they'll look like this, because when I brought the shirt I was like, the girls is gonna be sitting. They not sitting. I forgot that I had large breasts. I thought I was doing something. And we're not going to try on the other shirt, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in that one, and then I'll show you the after, like I said before. Okay, and this is the second shirt. Okay, I'm going to cover my nipples because clearly they're showing, but you guys can see my breast hang low. It's not really as flattering. I would love for them to sit like this and be like real nice and pushed up. So yeah, and the shirt is closed in the back, but still the front is not giving what it's supposed to give. So we're gonna go ahead and try this breast tape on. Now I'm going to do it, let me show you guys a little example. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to tape the bottom of my breast up and then probably stick it like right here on my shoulders so it look like a bra kind of. And we're gonna see how that works out. So I'll be back with the final result in both of the shirts. Okay, so I'm back. I have the breast tape on. So I only use 2 strips each boob, only because I don't want to waste this breast tape, because I have a lot of outfits that I wear without bras, and this is perfect. So as you guys can see, my breasts definitely have less of a gap. They're more lifted. I didn't put the boob tape all the way up my shoulders. I just did it up to right here. So I took the tape, took it from here, and placed it up. Don't forget to wear your nipple pasties. You need those, okay? But as you guys can see, the side view is much better. Okay, they're more pronounced and up there, which I think it looks good. I said I wanted to look like this, which probably takes a lot more tape than 2 strands. But like I said before, I'm not trying to waste this. I actually want to use this tape, but I like it. It gives you a nice little lift. It's comfortable. Like that side boob lift is, look. Who didn't have a boob job? Because it looked like it from the side. It looked like a boob job. Alright, so let's try on the second shirt. If the tape doesn't look right in the second shirt, or like if my breasts don't look the way I want to, I'm probably going to add more, but we'll see. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the second shirt. Unfortunately, this shirt is just really see-through, so you can see my boob tape straight through the shirt. You can see my nipples through the shirt, even with the pasty on. So I can't fault the tape. That is literally just the shirt. But other than that, they look great. They're sitting up. They look nice. The gap is small. They look gorgeous. From the side, they look great. As you can see, my tape is sticking out right here. But that's because I don't have any tape, like any tape, double-sided tape to tape right here. Which Busty does have double-sided tape. So if you're looking for a good double-sided tape, check them out. I know I will be. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the white shirt on. Now the white shirt isn't giving like the black shirt, only because the white shirt shows so much color. Like you could see through white shirt. It's just what it is. It's white. Yeah, I actually love this stuff. I am going to be using it. I wish I could save the ones I got on my breast already, but I can't, because well, the adhesive is going to not be as adhesive-y, or as sticky, I should say. So I say 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, if you are a larger breast girly and you went from a D and up, this is perfect for you. It's going to work. As you guys can see, my breasts sit finely. They sit really nice. It's just this shirt that's not working with the tape because the color. But if you made it this far and watched this whole review, sis, and you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post, okay? And until next time, say it with me. We out. Peace.